Atlantic, he pulled off one of the greatest deals. And I remember reading about this when I was younger, where he actually structured an agreement with Boeing where he could return each one of the aircraft that he leased if his new venture didn't succeed.
In this video, I will show you how you can make this recent Iman Gadzhi style 3D AI edit in just 2 minutes. First, observe the Iman Gadzhi video properly. Well, you can see he has a subject that is old in the middle, and a plane and another plane that is flying, a building. So you have to observe all the details carefully first. Then go to this website, link in the description. In here you can see I already generated the image. I am hiding this prompt for now. If you need, go to my Discord, and I will share every prompt that Iman Gadzhi uses. Then paste the prompt here and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you can see here is the same photo that Iman used in his recent video, so download it. So after that, search this website. Links in the description. Then drop the PNG image that you just created and wait for some second, and it will automatically remove the background from the subject. After that, go to this website and drop your PNG image. Wait for some seconds, and you will see you have a brush in your cursor now. So use it on your subject body and start painting it slowly and carefully. It doesn't have to be perfect. After that, wait for some seconds, and you will see the subject has been removed from the background, and you have a clear background now. And you will notice the quality of the image has been decreased a little bit because the new background removes. So to make it high quality, again, open up this software. If you want this software, go to my Instagram. After that, choose an output folder and select how much upscale you want. You can do 16x2, which is huge, and After Effects can't take that much. So choose 4x and select one of these. In my case, I want this. Try different things. And to use this, select the image you want to upscale and click this button. It will take some time and your upscale will be ready. As you can see, this is a huge level of quality update. So do the other one like this as well. After all the upscale, close this tab. Now open up Adobe After Effects. Select a 1920x1080 composition. Right-click here and import that 2 images in here. Place the subject on top of your background, PNG, then click this. Make all of them into 3D layer. Click the subject layer and press P in your keyboard. You will see you have a 3-dimension movement under your layer now. Press Ctrl and drag the 3rd dimension in the right, so it will have this type of number. And you can see the subject is bigger than the comp now. Well, now press S in your keyboard, and you will have the option to manipulate the scale of your subject. Slowly make it small, so it can fit into the comp. And if you ask why we did that, well, see this. Click in the 2 view, and you will see a custom view in the right side. Press 1 in your keyboard or choose this option. You can now drag or move the comp and see your layer. As you can see, the subject is close to the view because of our manipulation on the scale and dimension. And from here, all yours. You can do whatever you want. Make shape, layer, or text. Everything is in your control. If you find this video helpful and want to know about more, comment down below. And if this video gets 100 likes, I will share the real project file of the original video so you can learn from it. Follow my other social media because I will send you the project file link in Instagram. Thank you.